Hey Sherry 4x4, Mike Sherry here. Today I got a 2022 to show you, one of the first ones we've got in. It's a 2022 Ram 2500 Cummins diesel crew cab with the Rocky Ridge K2 package on it. The Rocky Ridge K2 package is a complete truck conversion, which includes a 5-inch lift kit, 37-inch BF Goodrich KM3 tires, and much more. So I'm gonna do a video on the truck and the Rocky Ridge package. I know lifted trucks are really popular out there right now. We've been doing lifted trucks with Rocky Ridge for probably the last 10 years or so. One of the largest dealers in the nation for them. This particular truck, again, 2022, it's in the crystal clear metallic paint. It is a Laramie as well, which is gonna get you the leather seats inside and a lot of nice equipment here. So I'm looking at the front of the truck. It's got the fully painted front bumper, got the aggressive tow hooks, full of safety features, got the front parking sensors, rear parking sensors. It's also a night package, so you get the blacked out grille in this, which really look good, as well as the black decals that we'll see as we move on further. Coming down into here to the wheels and tires, because I know a lot of you guys want to see this. Again, these are mud terrain KM3 BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, 20-inch Rocky Ridge signature wheels. They're blacked out to match that night package here. All upgraded suspension parts to allow for that 5-inch suspension lifts and allow those 37s to fit up underneath here. So quite the package here. Rocky Ridge warranties everything they've done on their conversion for 3-year, 36,000 miles. It does not void any of the Ram warranty. Everything Rocky Ridge done, they've partnered with Ram long enough, and they complement the factory Ram warranty. So that makes it really nice. Got your 2500 heavy duty badging. Of course, this has got the 6.7 liter Cummins in it. You got your Ram badging that's blacked out, Rocky Ridge badging right above it. The mirrors are the tow haul mirrors. They do flip up, and they're fully adjustable mirrors as well. All power, the adjustments, I'll show you that when we get inside. Crew cab, so it's going to get you the big cab out there. It's got the amp research power running boards that go in and out with the doors opening up. I like these running boards because they got a good, wide running board. We really plant your foot on it. Again, Laramie, so you're going to get premium leather seating. Plenty of interior storage if needed. Also has these hidden compartments down here. Great for your valuables. Also doubles as a cooler because there's a removable tray on the inside. Back here we do have a 120 volt power outlet and some USB charging outlets for your devices. We'll check out more on the inside in just a second. Fuel fill over here on this side of the vehicle. It does have the dampening tailgate. There's a release button on the key fob as well. Backup camera built in here. So the tailgate dampening, notice how slow it goes down. That's really nice, especially on a vehicle that's lifted like this. It just keeps it from hitting you right in the chest. So those heavy tailgates, so that's a nice feature. Another 120 volt power outlet in the bed of the truck. Got your badging back here. It does have factory wiring. That's your 4-pin wiring for your smaller trailers. And then it does have 7-pin wiring. That's hooked into the factory brake controller, which I'll show you inside. And then this is here if you want to add some auxiliary cameras on your trailer. That's what that is for. It's got the big 2.5-inch towing receiver here and backup sensors right there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look inside the pickup truck. I always like to mention financing is available on this entire package. I know a lot of you out there are looking at lift kits and stuff online, trying to figure out how to do it. If you do that, financing is always an issue there, as well as, voiding your warranty, which a lot of those do. So Rocky Ridge has got both of those figured out by offering this brand new to the dealer, by partnering with the manufacturer to build a Federal Motor Vehicle Safety compliant vehicle. All right, we have some brief go around in here. Sorry for any wind noise. It's a little windy today. Usually my microphone blocks it, but sometimes it doesn't. Got the new digital rear view mirror. Also, it's a normal rear view mirror, so you can have both worlds in those rear view mirrors. Rocky Ridge upgrades the cluster. If you look here, it's got Rocky Ridge badging on the speedometer and tach. Oh, I love this over here. So I have not seen this before. So if you push that button up there, of course it has power mirrors, but you got your cat eye mirror on the far outside. The cat eye is actually power. I don't know if you can tell, but it's moving. And then of course their power fold in. And then the big part of the mirror is power too. You just unpress that button. And their memory too, where you got your memory seat, where it remembers where you keep your seat. It also remembers where you keep your mirror. So power windows here, power locks. On the steering wheel, we got cruise control, gearing control as well. Your voice commands for hands-free connectivity. It does have four-wheel drive capabilities right there. It's 12-inch touchscreen radio. It's the new Uconnect 5, which the Uconnect 5, big thing about that, it's very quick response time, but it also has wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, which I've got pulled up here. And I think that's really special in this truck because we got a wireless charging port right here. So typically Rams, they're just going to have right here where you can put your phone so they don't fall between your seat. And it's got a nice little clip down there. But here on this left side, it actually charges your phone and wireless CarPlay, so you can pull up your real-time navigation from your phone, text messaging, podcasts, voicemails, all that right there. So that's super slick. Now this also has got AM, FM, Sirius radio. It does have dual zone climate controls. Get into here. Also heated seats, vented seats. So these seats here get a little perforation on the insert on them. It's all leather, of course, but that perforation allows nice cool air to come on your tush on that hot day. All right, factory navigation. And we can get into some vehicle, which is going to have your rear view camera. And then it's also got bed lowering mode if you're going to tow maybe a fifth wheel. And buttons along each side. So here's that trailer brake controller I mentioned to you earlier. So that's going to allow those brakes to work on your trailer. And then you've got a series of 6 auxiliary inputs here if you want to add different lighting and things like that. Just a nice clean look. You got your exhaust brake, tow haul, parking sensors on and off. Plenty of charger ports if you do need to charge your phone old school. Maybe you got one of those that don't charge wirelessly. Here's that keyless entry, lock, unlock. It has a tailgate release and remote start as well as your panic. Nice center console here. And then yeah, so Rocky Ridge has added the lock box down here. It's a great spot if you want to put some of your valuables in here. Maybe you have some money with you, or you have your concealed carry. That's a nice spot for that. All right, really cool truck. These have been going really fast, especially these diesel trucks, because they're super hard to find right now. We've been able to get a few, and I wanted to get a video on this one before it did sell. So yeah, if you're watching this video, make sure you check out our website. I'll post links below for our current inventory and see if this one's still available. If you're having a little trouble, give one of our representatives a call. They'll be able to let you know what we currently have in stock as well as what we might have coming in. Looks like the next year ahead is going to be some more truck shortages, unfortunately, is what we're hearing from the manufacturer. So if you do find one out there, and let us know, and we'd be happy to assist you. And we really look forward to the opportunity to earn your business. Thanks for watching, everyone, and hanging out with me for a little bit of your day. Take care.